how to use Loox Reviews. Loox Reviews tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Loox Reviews on your Shopify store. So Shopify is an amazing e-commerce tool which can help you in selling digital as well as physical product right away. However, there is one feature that Shopify does not have, and that is a default review widget. So not having a review widget can be a really big problem, especially when you're trying to establish a brand and establish trust in your brand, because if customers can't see reviews from other customers, they are less likely to purchase a product. With other people's reviews, it establishes the quality of your product and can help in viewers gauging and estimating whether or not this product would be suitable for them. So because this is such a standard feature, we have an amazing tool called Loox, which is an application which we can install to start creating our review widget. So let's jump right in. To get started, simply head on over to your Shopify store and then click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings, click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left, and then on the top right, click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on Shopify App Store on the top right, you are going to search for Loox, and this is the Loox Product Reviews application. You're going to click on this, and then you will see the pricing. The pricing starts at $9.99 per month, where you have 100 monthly review requests. And then on their scale plan, which is $34.99 a month, you have video reviews, Google Shopping, Meta Shops, no branding, all integrations, and all beginner features. And then on their unlimited plan for only $299, you get all unlimited referrals, upsells, scale features, and review request emails. So we're going to go ahead and click on install, and the best part is that you get a 7-day free trial to try out the application if you want to proceed with using it or not. So we're going to click on install over here, and once we click on install, we're going to just wait for the installation to be completed. And once we've installed this, we can choose which application we want. So we can get started with their scale or their beginner plan. On the scale plan, you get a 14-day free trial. And then on the beginner plan, you get a 7-day free trial. I'm going to show you guys the beginner plan because I want you guys to see how you can scale that and, choose upgraded features. But for a lot of people, they want to start out with a more affordable option. We're going to click on approve over here, and once we click on approve, we are going to be led to our Loox Reviews application. So we're going to pin this on the left, and this just makes it easier to access this application. Then you're going to click on continue, and you're going to choose your primary language, which is English in our particular store. Then you have your color and layout. So you're going to choose what brand colors you have. I like a deep pink color. This is just my personal preference on branding. So I'm just going to go with the deep pink color. I just really like the color. There's no other reason we're picking this color. And then for my icon color, I do like a bright yellow. I like to make it slightly more bright. And then we have our icon style. So what type of star or hearts do you want? You can even add paws, these leaves, coffee. I like a rounded star. You can go with a sharp one as well. I just prefer the look of the rounded one. Then we have our review widget layout. So this can later on be customized. So I'm going to go with the first one. And then it's going to ask you how long after fulfillment do you want your product review request to be sent. So I like to send out my review request after 14 days of fulfillment. Sometimes that can be too long, especially if you're doing like 3 to 5 day deliveries. So 10 days after fulfillment, I like to send out my review requests. And then you can offer a discount for submitting photo and video reviews. You can change this later on. I'm going to set this up as 10%. And you can send a review request to past customers. So you can get reviews quickly by asking, past customers to, send out reviews. I'm going to go with 30 days back and then click on continue. Then you're going to enable the Loox core script in your Shopify store. So click on this, and once you do, this will open up your Shopify store editor, and you just have to enable the application from the left. You guys can see this is enabled and just click on save. Go back into your original tab and then click on continue. Then you're supposed to add your product review widget. So again, click on this little tab over here. It will open up a brand new tab. Enable the application on the left, and you can see over here that right under your product information and then your recommended apps and your related product, this will add the Loox Reviews widget. Now, when you don't have any reviews, they just add some sample reviews for you. This positioning is not ideal. I don't like the recommended products to be above the reviews. I like to hold the review widget from the left and then move it up the related product section. Then you can click on this and you can choose the number of reviews you want to display. If you want reviews from all products, if you want reviews with photos and the maximum width as well, then you can show sample reviews as well. Once you've done that, click on save and go back into your original tab and then just click on continue. Then you're going to add your star rating widget. So again, just click on the button. This will add the rating widget on your Shopify store, and then you can customize the positioning to whatever you prefer. You guys can see it added the star rating widget at the bottom. I like to hold this and then move it under the title. This is because I just personally prefer this positioning of the star rating widget right under the title of the product. You can choose to place it anywhere you prefer and just click on save. Then you're going to go back into your original tab and then click on continue. And just like that, we're going to click on enter the admin to start more customizations on our Loox Reviews application. So with this, we can see we have multiple different options. If we click on reviews, you can see all of your product reviews or store reviews. Then you can click on review widgets and you can see other types of review widgets which you can add, including your pop-up widgets, review sidebars, Loox trust badges, snippet widgets, happy customer page, video sliders, testimonials, and more. You guys can see you have an add to theme option which will allow you to integrate these other review widget types on your Shopify store. Then you can click on import reviews to import your reviews from AliExpress or other applications. And then you have your general preferences where you can alter how reviews are requested from your customers. You can even build your own review form, add your own discounts, and I'm going to remove the discount for photo/video reviews because that is not an offer that I do want to add. And just like that, we have Loox Reviews added into our Shopify store. If we open this up like so, you guys can see on the bottom of our products, you should be able to view the review widget as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.